Faya ayyuhal ihwan rahimakumullah, ittaqullah. Nikah dengan kau Ananda Mamas Bambang Handokoksumo bin Gatot Sri Harjanto dengan mas kawin berupa perhiasan emas seberat 50 gram, seperangkat alat sholat, dan berlian seberat 0,122 karat dibayar tunai.
Saya terima nikah dan kawinnya Lusi Wulandari binti Joko Suhardi dengan mas kawin tersebut dibayar tunai.
Barakallahu laka wa barakalaika wa jama'a bainakum. Amin.
'Cause you're the one. It ain't a selfish love when I'm with you. Remind me of the love so I know it's true. I'll just say it. You are the one. Won't you be my BFF forever? Won't you be my partner after this world? We'll see when we believe it together. The dreams are meant to be, 'cause you're the one for me. I never thought that I would ever feel this way. I ask Allah to bless you every single day. I'll just say it, 'cause you're the one. And when times are tough, we've got the world to see. Standing right beside you's where I wanna be. I just know it. You are the one. Won't you be my BFF forever? Won't you be my partner after this world? We'll see when we believe it together. The dreams are meant to be, 'cause you're the one for me. I prayed about this just over a million times. Who had ever thought that I could call you mine? I just know it, 'cause you're the one. And when there's gray in our hair and we've not much to do, I wanna spend the rest of my days with you. Oh, don't you know it? You are the one. You are the one. Oh, won't you be the